Are you terrified of entering your credit card information online? Do you look at your computer screen, wanting to buy a movie, a book, or a gift for your grandkids, but you freeze because you are scared to death that some hacker is going to steal your identity and wipe out your retirement nest egg? If that is you, I hear you, and your fear is 100% validated. The internet can feel like the Wild West, and protecting your hard-earned money must be your number one priority. You have worked too hard, for too many decades, to let a cybercriminal ruin your financial peace of mind. But here is the question I get asked all the time: Susie, how do I participate in the modern digital world without putting my bank account at risk? That is exactly why we need to talk about something called a PaysafeCard. You might have seen these sitting on the racks at your local grocery store, gas station, or pharmacy right next to the gift cards, or maybe one of your tech-savvy kids mentioned it. And you are probably wondering, what on earth is this, and what can I actually buy with it? Let's break it down, simply and directly. A PaysafeCard is not a credit card. It is not a debit card. It is a prepaid voucher. You walk into a physical store, you hand the cashier cash, yes, cold, hard, safe cash, and in return, you get a voucher with a 16-digit code. Think of it like cash for the internet. Because it is not connected to your name, your social security number, your bank account, or your credit history, it is virtually impossible for a hacker to use it to steal your identity. If you buy a $50 PaysafeCard, the absolute maximum anyone could ever compromise is that $50. Your retirement fund remains completely locked down and safe. So, what can you actually buy with this thing? I want you to understand that while it is accepted at thousands of places online, it does not work exactly like a traditional Visa card. You cannot just use it anywhere to buy a pair of shoes or order groceries to your house. It is primarily designed for digital entertainment, media, and services. First, let's talk about entertainment and streaming, because keeping ourselves engaged and entertained in retirement is vital. If you love music, you can use a PaysafeCard to pay for a premium subscription to Spotify or Deezer. No more commercial interruptions while you listen to your favorite artists. If you enjoy watching movies, documentaries, or videos online, you can use it for streaming services like Netflix or YouTube Premium. You get the entertainment you want, and you never have to worry about an automated monthly charge hitting your real bank account and causing an accidental overdraft. You are in total control of the cash flow. Second, let's talk about the grandparenting factor. Digital gaming and marketplaces are massive right now. If you want to buy a digital game for yourself on your computer, or if you want to buy a digital gift for your grandkids, PaysafeCard is widely accepted on almost every major digital store. We are talking about the Google Play Store for Android smartphones, the Apple App Store, the PlayStation Store, Xbox, and Steam for computer games. If your grandson or granddaughter is begging for an in-game item on platforms like Roblox or Minecraft, you don't need to hand over your credit card and risk them accidentally running up a massive bill. You can use a specific, capped PaysafeCard code to make the purchase safely, making you the coolest, smartest grandparent on the block without jeopardizing a single dime of your savings. Third, what about everyday online shopping on giant sites like Amazon or booking a vacation on Airbnb? This is a question people get confused about all the time. Can you use it directly? No. But here is the insider secret on how you make this tool incredibly versatile: the PaysafeCard online gift card shop. Once you have a PaysafeCard, you can go to their official website and use your balance to buy branded gift cards for mainstream companies. You can swap your voucher for an Amazon gift card, an Airbnb gift card, or vouchers for major clothing and travel retailers. It adds one extra step, but that one extra step acts as an ironclad firewall between your retirement money and the online marketplace. Now, I need you to listen to me very carefully, because while this tool is excellent for security, it can also attract scammers if you are not careful. Because PaysafeCard transactions are anonymous and function just like cash, fraudsters love to target seniors using them. If you ever receive a phone call, an email, or a text message from someone claiming to be from the IRS, the Social Security Administration, your utility company, or a computer tech support company telling you that you owe money and you must pay them using a PaysafeCard voucher code, it is a scam. 100% of the time. Government agencies and legitimate businesses will never, ever ask you to pay a bill with a prepaid voucher. Treat that 16-digit code exactly like cash in your wallet. If you read those numbers over the phone to a stranger, your money is gone, and it cannot be recovered. So, what is your actionable takeaway today? If you want to start buying books, music, apps, or games online, but you are paralyzed by the fear of internet fraud, do not let that fear stop you from enjoying your retirement. Instead, take action with a strategy that protects you. Your next step is to go to the official PaysafeCard website and use their store finder tool to see which local store near your house sells them. On your next trip to get groceries or pick up a prescription, walk over to the rack, purchase a small $20 or $50 voucher using cash, and bring it home. When you want to buy that next movie or app, select PaysafeCard at the checkout screen, type in the 16-digit code, and watch how easy it is. You get to enjoy the convenience of the digital world. You don't have to share a single piece of private financial data, and your retirement wealth stays exactly where it belongs, safe, secure, and entirely under your control.